body. Some more people has to join. Okay. So in continuation to yesterday's class, like yesterday we have completed only three setups, right? One is setups, item creation, on hand quantity, and then add item to the price list, followed by flow steps. That is one is order entry. That's it, right? Only four steps we completed yesterday. Correct? Anything we missed? These are all the four only, right? So let's go with the order entry onwards today. Then order entry. Then second one is booking. Third, pick release, picking item from warehouse. And then another one is shipping. We'll cover only 4 points today. Okay. So first order entry again. To create order entry, we have to go to responsibility, that is order management responsibility, that is OE orders, returns. Just open any one of the responsibility. Then later you can switch to your order management it is. I'm going to order management. This one. Order returns and sales orders. This is a navigation to create a new sales order. I'm taking an existing customer. Then click on line items here. Your ordered item. So your ordered item is yesterday whatever we have created. What is that? New. Sorry. Mouse, right? New mouse, right? Okay. Then quantity. Let's say 4 quantity. And price automatically will come here. Then click on save. That's it. So whenever you are entering, if you look at here, this particular line status is entered only. Later it will change. And here also your status is entered. Parallelly, we'll prepare on Excel. You can easily understand the whole flow. So first step here is order entry. We should know the navigation here first. Navigation. To create a sales order, we should have a navigation. Okay. So what is the navigation to create a sales order again? We have to go to order management, order returns and sales orders. Order returns. These are all just to make you understand and to show everything in one picture, single picture. Order returns and sales orders. This is a navigation. So for this, like there are certain tables are involved after creating a sales order. Go to sales order here. Guys, please go on mute. Then line items. Earlier I created, but I have not taken down that particular number. So now I would like to copy this number. Okay. whenever you are doing in the practice also, you have to follow the same way. Some people are simply doing front end only, not touching a back end. The back end is this particular toad. This is the toad. So here is the place. This information is stored into a view. It is. It's not a table. They are mentioning as a table, but it's a view. So take this view, copy this, go to toad, then F4, go to script here. And then take the from class. This is a whole select statement it is. Simply if you revise it, you have to check your status here, whether you are on a mute or not mute. It's difficult every time coming back and checking. Okay, this is the view. See, if you minimize it, you can easily understand here. The syntax also, create or replace, force view. If table does not exist also, force view will be created here. And this is a select statement. Select column names. And then from class. In the from class, you can see all the tables. And these are joins. Okay. Now we should know the table where exactly your order number is stored. So this I am taking order number. Just simply Control F. We can type here order number. Okay. Again search it if it is not working properly. It's showing here only. I don't know why it is not. Any typo error? No, forward. F3 to get another value, F3. So this is order number. Okay. And this is available in H. H is a table alias actually. Take this order number and you have to copy paste only. We are still first step only. Select your column name from H means there is a table here. At the right hand side, you have to see. This is called as a table alias. So I'm checking for table alias H. See, one by one you have to check if you don't know initially. Otherwise, later you can directly type it here. So take this H at 40s. Sorry, this H is for OE order header solve. Take this and paste over here. So H stands for what it is now, OE order headers. And your order number where it is exactly it is located in H. H is a table alias. You can rename also like this. So usually we'll follow O after underscore, whatever it is appearing, then after underscore. So this is also one way. You can take ABC also, but other people has to understand this, what is meant by ABC. That's why people will follow proper naming standards. H means header record. This is called as a table alias. And if you want to type here saying that order number, this is called as a column alias. This is a column alias, another name. Alias means another name. And H is another name of this particular table related to this statement. Okay. Now I wanted another number here. Let's say customer number. Okay. So customer number is, it's an account number here. Go back here, control home, account number somewhere you can check here. Account number. This is the account number. Okay. Now this is a table alias. This is actual column and this is a column alias. So all you have to copy. Copy this. This is the second column I am taking. This is the way you can prepare a query. Keep adding column names, table names, and join conditions. Now another table is added, that is cust account. Cust account, just check. You have to tell me now. Cust account, where exact it is. Observe line by line. Tell me, guys. It will improve your concentration. Cust account table stands for what it is. Tell me quickly.
SE cost account. That one.
Line number you have to say.
It's the
Line number.
The line number you can see right here.
Oh, okay. This is 383.
Perfect.
And
Yeah.
yeah, more. And yeah, that one is.
And the moment we add two tables in the from class, we have to add a where condition also. Otherwise, it will give duplicate records. I mean to say cross product will rise. Let's say if there are 50 records and if there are 100 records, 50 into 100, that many records it will come. So that's why the Oracle only given the join between these two. We no need to worry about it. The join between H and cust account. That also you have to tell me in the where clause. From first line onwards, you can go. The join between H and cust account. Tell me the line number. Go slowly, no worries. Because there are many lines, right? Line number.
Sixteen, 416.
Four.
No, this is cost account party ID.
I think 415.
415. Yeah. No, 416.
Okay.
Yeah.
415 is the correct one.
Yeah.
Remove this uncondition. So this is the way you can prepare a query. And in this, if you want to know the status of your sales order, this is the status. The status column also we have to add. So status is flow status code it is. So how we can come to know that? That is also will be your question. Flow status code. So once you say select star from table name, you will come to know what exactly the column name it is. I am adding another column. This and the primary key of this particular table we should know OE or headers table. So primary key to know, I told you one website, that website etrm.live, electronic technical reference manual. Click on this dictionary and you have to check order management it is. This is an order management. Tables. OE order headers all. The primary key of this particular table is what it is, header ID. Okay, and here also you can see the join between your OE order headers all and then hedged cust accounts. So there is one more column also available here, not only sold to RGID, you can see here, correct? This is another join also available, end customer ID. Sold to RGID or end customer ID is the join it is. So our joins also you can see here only, okay? Now go back here. Now what is the primary key of this particular table? Header ID. And if I want to restrict it with a particular number, you can just give an order number. That's it. It's a small query only, not that much difficult. Only two tables are combined. Copy this. Control. If any commas extra added or if you missed it any comma, then you have to adjust. So right now this is not giving data. The reason is it's a weave. OE order headers is a weave. We have to take underscore all table. Now it will give you the data like this. Okay. So header ID. At the left, you can drag and drop. Header ID, order number, and customer number, and then flow status code. I require customer name also. So at that time, then there's a party name. So another table we have to add up here. That is HZ parties. The giant condition is party ID. That will be available in view only. First account dot party ID, comma, your party name. Okay, so this is a party name. Okay. So slowly you can add whatever you wanted the columns. So from where I collected all the tables, I went to help and record history, take this view, then go to Toad. If you practice 1 or 2 times, you can easily remember. Then press F4, go to script here, and then go to your from class. You can copy all the tables, select statement, select columns. These are all you can copy from here. So whatever I told you just before exit parties, you can see here somewhere. This is the one I'm talking about. Okay. And party ID is the join here somewhere you can check. Party ID. This one. I typed directly, but I did not show you, right? This join. So everything is available here only. So if you want, you can type also. Whatever is there, this by removing also you can type, because if you practice 1 or 2 times, you can simply directly typing. Every time copy paste is difficult, right? So we have to use exit parties, HP, and then exit cash accounts, HCA, and sales order table, OE order headers all. This way also you can type. You also will get this command like typing and all slowly. HCA dot party ID and OHA dot sold to RGID, right? Sold to RGID is equivalent to HCA dot joint condition is cust account ID, that is a primary key, and you wanted here OHA dot order number, then HCA dot account number, and what else? HP dot party name, then OHA dot status code, where exactly you can see that is like this. You can type. It's not a big deal typing, okay? Slowly keep adding all the columns, whatever available here. Usually these are all regular requirement orders, nothing new. In every project, same type of requirement, same columns, same joins. We can easily derive. So is that okay till now? I told you how to create a sales order and from where we can derive the sales order information. So I went to help and record history. I took this, then copied some required columns here, columns table joins. So is it clear? Any doubts? Guys online? Any doubts? Okay. So another level it is. Right now you are at header level. Go to line items. This line information is stored in another table, that is OE order line solid. And if you want to know the join between OE order header sol and OE order line sol, that is a header ID. Just check here itself if you want. So why I am verifying this is here. Oracle only introduced all the joins, tables, primary key, foreign key and all. So I will not miss any data here. That's why I'm coming initially here. If you get a confirmation saying that header ID is the join between OE and header solve, OE and line solve, you don't need to come here. Okay. If you are new, then you have to come here. So now I need to add another table to this. What is the table name? Tell me. OE order line solve, correct? Now, the moment you add a table, you have to give a join between these two also, correct? What is the join between these two tables?
Header ID.
Yes, OHA dot header ID, OOLA dot perfect header ID. And I require here line level status also, not only header level, line level also. So this is line status, and this one is header status. That's it. Both are entered only, right? Header as well as line, correct? Now your first step is over now. Order entry is over. Next is booking in this flow. So this is called as a cycle. It is order to cash cycle. Your all work will be around these topics only. Order to cash, P2P, and also it is a base flow. You should know. Then only you can work. Now for booking, what you have to do? We can click on book order. So you may get these type of issues. So first one is what it is. Quantity on hand fails to satisfy reservation, but still it is booked. Okay. So you don't have a quantity available with this. First, let me book it. To know the on-hand quantity, you can just click on this. See, right now on-hand quantity is 0. But yesterday we created, right? For which item we created? No, new mouse only, right? It is also. Okay, we'll do one thing. If you don't create on-hand quantity, what will happen? Where exactly will stuck? That we'll see. Then later we'll create it. Okay. So we should know the errors also, right? Now, after booking, the line level status is awaiting shipping. It is correct. And header level it is booked. So in the same query, if you re-execute this same query, I'm executing this. So if you look at here, status header level is line level booked. It is showing 70582. It must be awaiting shipping, right? Maybe we have taken same table alias. Correct. This is wrong, right? This is correct. Header level booked, line level awaiting shipping. So whenever you book it, there are additional tables also will come into the picture. Those are all WSH, warehouse it is. WSS delivery details. You should not say underscore every time. If someone asks you, tell me the delivery table, this underscore, not only OE order. So many people are saying OE underscore order underscore header underscore all. No, that's not correct. Simply you have to say OE and header solve. That's it. Where source header ID is the column name, will hold a header ID value. That header ID value is what it is, this one. I think I have not taken in this, correct? OHA dot header ID. So header ID not only from backend, from front-end application also I can take here. See, go to diagnostics, examine here. So here is the place also we can take header ID. Clear? Header ID I can take from two places. One is from table level, other one is from application. This application. Both are same, see? Both are same here. Correct? From keyword. Okay. In this, there is a column name only. So there are 150 columns. We don't require all this to verify. Okay. Whatever your flow related, only we have to verify. Let's say I'm verifying here one column name, released status. It will have a value here, that is R. R stands for here is ready to release. Your item is booked. Now we need to release it to warehouse so that we can ship it to the customer. So R means ready to release here. And there is another warehouse table. For delivery ID, this is a column name. WSH delivery assignments, where the primary key of this particular table is the first column only, that is delivery detail ID. You need to remember column name, joins, tables. If you practice 5 times, then you can easily remember. Not a big deal. So first few classes only important in the course. The rest you can easily understand. You can easily remember also. Okay. The delivery is null at this moment. Delivery ID is null. Later it will populate in the next stage. Next stage in the sense what it is. This is the next stage. This stage. So as of now, we have created a sales order. We booked it. Now we have to pick the goods from warehouse, and we'll pack it just like courier, Amazon courier and all. You assume it, you can understand. So pick release is the navigation here. I mean to say step. Go to there is a navigation here. Shipping, release sales orders. Release sales order. This is the navigation. What we'll do, we'll enter this Excel sheet. Okay, slowly. After quick release, we'll enter. And whatever the default values, if you want to remove all this, simply there is a rule here standard. So everything will be removed. An order number, your warehouse M1, packing instructions like from address to address, package weight, package color, package unit of measurement. Those are if you want to include on top of the box, you can go with the auto pack deliveries. Yes, it is. All the 3 yes. Okay. And if you want to ship it automatically, there is an auto ship option. Right now, I'm not taking. Execute now. Now, there are some programs will be submitted automatically. You need to remember these programs. Pick slip report. The next is shipping exceptions. Pick slip report output you can see. So right now, no data found. If you get a no data found means your item is not having a quantity available. That's what is giving an error. And in the same way, in the back end also, if you look at here, it will become a back order. Back order for B it is. As of now, it is R only. I mentioned right already. R it is. So it is B. B means back order. Okay. So the value of B. Back order. Your order is failed now. We don't have a stock. Now here delivery ID also it will be still null only. Okay. Now what we will do, as I mentioned earlier, we need to create a quantity here, on-hand quantity. So to create an on-hand quantity, yesterday steps only we have to perform. Go to inventory, navigation to create an on-hand quantity. That is transactions, miscellaneous, correct? And which one I should select here? Which warehouse you are using into your M1, M1, V1, M2?
Seattle Distribution Center.
Yes, Seattle, that is M1, it is Seattle manufacturing.
then miscellaneous, your item, sub-inventory, stores, anything we can select. So there are some sub-inventories here. These are all sub-inventories. Yesterday someone asked a question, right? For scrap material, one sub-inventory, for restricted inventory, for hazardous, like that it is. These are all the sub-inventories. So right now I'm taking only FGI, finished goods inventory. Also we can take quantity 500, I'm taking, or 600. Your account is miscellaneous. Save. So after creating online quantity, if you want, you can verify into on hand or you can leave it also, no worries. Your item, you have to select. $600 quantity. You have to make sure in which organization you are checking. Okay. Now we can go to sales order. Okay. Same steps you have to perform. So first step is what it is, order entry. And navigation also I have entered here. Order returns, sales order. The tables OE order headers are. Then there is one more OE order. Lines are correct. What is the primary key of this particular table? Header ID. Header table, header ID, line table, line ID. There is no complex thing here. Join between these two. Header ID only, correct? Status values, status columns. What is the value here? Status value, first of all. You are looking for a specific sales order, that is, I'm creating a new order now. Save. Check. Will not give you. The reason is we haven't added lines. You have to add outer join here. Now it will give you the data like this. Okay. Just 1 second. I would like to see the where condition. You know this outer join. Just before also we faced that problem. We created only header, but we have not created lines. So as there are no, this outer join symbol means opposite side, like matching as well as unmatching records, it will display. Okay. Now go to your application. Your line level status is entered as well as header level status is entered, both. If you fire the same statement, it will give you entered as well as entered. So let me enter into the Excel sheet. Status value is what it is, entered. Line level is also entered. Column name, which column you are looking? The column name is flow status code. This column is also same. So till now, actually, we have entered all this information. See? Any confusion by seeing this? This is the flow. Now, second step is what it is after order entry. Booking, right? Sales order booking. How to book the sales order? Only one button, book order. Now, header level booked, line level, what is the status? That is awaiting shipping. Now, execute again, same statement. Same. Just verifying, okay, this is front end and this is back end. Whatever you enter here, that will go and sit into this database tables. So both are interrelated only. Okay. Now header ID. You have to take header ID. Give here. Enter. So it is R. R stands for ready to release this. And delivery ID 8052. And we're giving the number. Null only. It is not yet generated. After booking, actually, it has not given any error because it is having an on-hand quantity. See, if you click on availability button, we have an on-hand quantity of 600, but 3 is reserved here. So still 597, someone can use it. Okay. Now the third step is what it is after booking. The third is pick release. So in the booking, we have not entered tables. Let's enter tables. Same only. Just values in place of enter, in place of here awaiting. Perfect. There are two more tables we verified. What are they? One table is WSH delivery details. Primary key of this particular table is what it is, delivery detail ID. And join we haven't given as of now. Yeah, join is how we verified here. There is a source header ID. I'm just entering same only in the Excel sheet. Okay. Join between WSH delivery details, OER data service source header ID. And one more table is what it is, that is WSH delivery assignments. It is. Now the join between these two also same, that is a delivery detail ID. Primary key of this table I don't know. Let's say delivery assignment ID it is, but if you want I will show you delivery assignment ID. Let's go back. WSH. It's not there. Okay, these are all shipping tables. If you are not able to find out shipping tables, go to WSH delivery assignments. Click on this, you can verify. Here itself, the primary key is what it is, delivery assignment ID, and then WS delivery assignments, WS new deliveries, that is also delivery ID is a joint condition. The join between WS delivery assignments, WS delivery details is delivery detail ID. So everything is appearing here, correct? Now go back to tell me what should I fill here. Primary key of this table. Yes, delivery assignment ID. And WSS delivery details, what is the status we have verified? That is release status. This is the release status. So what is the value we have got? That is ready to release. In this I have verified delivery ID. I'll keep here. That's it about booking. Okay. 2 order management table, 2 warehouse tables, and it's every information we have entered here. The next step here is pick release. Okay. So for pick release navigation, I already showed you. What is the navigation for pick release? Shipping, then release sales orders, release sales orders. If you speak out, then you can easily remember. Then execute now. So you'll get a message saying that yes, pick release online has ended with the warning. And there are a couple of programs get submitted here. What are the program names? One is pick slip, shipping auto pack. Earlier auto pack is not fired because it does not have a proper quantity. Now if you click on view output, so this is how you can see delivery ID. Correct, delivery ID earlier it has not generated, and it has picked up the goods from FGI. FGI is a finished goods inventory. It is moved to staging area. It is. We simply picked and packed it. Now we need to deliver the goods. So verify all the tables. So here there is no change. I'm just showing you. There is no change. Booked, header level booked it is, line level it is, awaiting shipping. And release status, what could be the status? Initially it was R, now it will become a Y it is. Just check it once, Y. Okay, it's filled immediately. Only these two tables. Order management, there is no change. So what should I write here? Y. It. And null, instead of null it is delivery ID will generate. Okay, some value, ID value, it will vary. Okay, and one more table is there here, that is WSH new delivery status. WSH new deliveries. Based on the delivery ID, we can verify that quantity. WSH new deliveries. Delivery ID. The delivery ID. It is OP. OP means open for shipping it is. So here status code, column name, exact column name status code. The value is it is OP, open for shipping. Okay. So WS new deliveries primary key we have to gather, as well as the joint condition is delivery ID. Let's see WS new deliveries primary key. I'm going to ETRM again. These are the new deliveries. Delivery ID only. Okay. Primary keys. Delivery ID. Clear? So overall 3 steps we completed, and along with the tables, flows, values, joins, everything. Clear? The next is shipping. This is the last step for today. There are other steps pending that I don't want to note down right now. So shipping. There are so many cross questions. Maybe we'll cover in the next class. So for time being, learn the functionality. Cross questions are there. You will get many cross questions, errors. So for shipping, what you can do, take this order number, go to transactions here only. Delivery tab. If you don't have a quantity available in the delivery tab, you cannot see anything. Ship confirm. Leave as it is all this. If you have a patience, you can read like what is ship options, strip options and all. Or else like simply click on OK. Delivery was successfully confirmed. Now, whatever earlier OP, it will become a CL now. See, CL means closed. And the delivery ID, it's already generated, no need to check again. Clear release status, it is C. Earlier it was Y, right? We have seen Y, then C. Yeah, C means closed. Y means picked up. Picked. B means back order. These are all the 4 we have seen. If you cancel this particular line, then it will become a D. D for cancelled. So that we'll see later. Now release status we have seen. Come back to the Excel sheet here. Now tell me what. Okay, one more is pending here. Sales order line level, it will become. It will become to shipped here. Earlier it was awaiting shipping, right? Now it has changed to shipped here. So let's fill the Excel sheet now. So this is not changing, only this line will change. So here it will be shipped. Correct, right? Shipped only, right? Line status. Now, delivery details. This line is required. Instead of y, it has become, what is the value? Correct. Same is completed or whatever. I'll tell you from where we can get to know all this expansion of these values. OP stands for what? Shipping, CL stands for what and all. I'll tell you. Okay. So delivery assignments, delivery ID is generated already. No need to verify. So you take this. So instead of OP, what is the value you have seen just before? Earlier it was OP. Now it is. What is the value it is? In this, it is CL. CL means closed. Okay. Overall 4 steps completed. After shipping also there are a couple of concurrent programs. You have to verify the program names. Tomorrow I'll explain you what is the functionality of the programs here. These are all bill of lading. After shipping some programs, bill of lading, pick slip, packing slip, then commercial invoice bill it is, vehicle road sheet. These are all for verification. Interface to stop. So tomorrow I'll tell you what is the functionality of bill of lading, commercial invoice, all these 5 programs. You have to remember the program names. After pick release, how many programs? After shipping, how many programs? Okay. Or what are they? Names also required. So Excel sheet is also over, right? Anything pending in the Excel sheet? We have noted down all. Remembering is also very easy. See, here initially it was R. Correct. Then after that, R changed to Y, right? Now it has changed to C, right? Sequentially. Same color I applied so that you can easily understand. Now here at line level it is entered. Okay. Okay. Line level entered. Then later, so this line you have to see, or if you want to make entire line would be better. And understand. Okay. Then what else? Ship here. So green color you observe it, you can come to. Correct. And here it is OP and here it is CA. And here it is null value and here it is generated. By seeing Excel sheet, the whole picture you can easily understand. That's the reason why I created this. If you want, I can share it with you. So till now, four points completed. Maybe I'll cover all the FAQs in the next class, or at the end of the O2C also I can cover. So we have other points pending here, that is invoice, then create accounting. 7.8 is receipt, create accounting, transfer to zero. We require 2 more classes to finish O2C along with the questions and answers, FAQs. Okay. So tomorrow we'll finish all this, then later we'll focus on FAQs. Any questions, guys? I'm thinking to stop now. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Any questions? So this is just a second class only, right? Finish yesterday class I already uploaded. And now also I'll upload. You please practice. For notes, I'll keep into Google Drive and I'll share the link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Online guys, you are not at all replying. I don't know. Understanding or not understanding?
Understanding, sir.
Okay. So if you are meantime, if you get any doubts also, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Regular status is also required. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank